from Rizal Underground and the Runaway Boys.
Yeah.
There you go. Nandito tayo sa Casino Filipina. We're just hanging out here. Tambay. Tambay. How many shows do you have? Like,
This is my 15th show.
15th show. All across America.
All across America. East to West.
East to West. How is it so far?
Pare, I'm so looking forward to perform here tonight kasi nandito ka!
Yeah! Bakit ako?
Hindi, maraming mga OGs dito.
Yeah,
nakakatuwa.
there's a lot of
There's si Liban, and si Pinky.
Yeah, Pinky Lapangas here. That's good, man.
Yeah, I know. So it's a nice gathering of the film music
Community,
scene.
yeah,
Dito sa
exactly.
LA.
Yeah, exactly. So that's good. Well, like, let's say, okay, kasi yung theme natin is Tambay Core. When you hear
Tambay,
Tambay,
ano?
Tambay Core.
Tambay Core. Ngayon.
Yeah. So, let's say, when you hear Tambay, anong naiisip mo, like, pag tambay, sino mga nakakatambay mo, anong ginagawa nyo, anong kalokohan ginagawa, yung just like in general.
Pare, pag sinabi mo kasing tambay, parang feeling ko sex, drugs, and rock and roll. Ganon. Tama ba?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Like, it's subjective, but it's
Wala nga
really
lang sex
good.
ngayon, pero drugs and rock and roll, marami.
Here, saka nag-stay dito sa LA.
Well, while I was touring, I was based in San Diego, pero I hardly stayed there. Pare, we were on the road. I was living out of my suitcase for 2 months.
Wow.
And I'm on my 3rd month. So itong last week ko dito sa LA, nandito ako sa Alhambra.
Well, that's good. How is it like? Is this your first time doing the US tour? You've been doing this for quite some time.
This is my 4th na yata. Pero ito ang pinaka masaya. Kasi I got to hang out with the OGs. When I was in New York, I was with si Renrick. Ewan ko kung kilala mo si Renrick. Anyway, the film music scene, parang yun ang equivalent ni Levan sa New York.
Sa New York.
Sa East
Nice.
Coast. Tri-State. Yeah.
Well, that's good. Oh, so you have one today. Tapos bukas meron ka din.
Tomorrow's my last show in Bakersfield.
Sa Bakersfield. Wow. Saan kayo mag-play sa Bakersfield bukas?
Sa Bakersfield Masonic Temple.
Masonic Temple. Ba?
Mga Mason ang
Mga
producer.
Mason. Mga ice white shot ka dun, ha?
I hope so.
Well, like, we have Steve Lou. Hey, thanks for your time, man.
Hey, brother.
Tambay Core.
Deep fakes. Ano bang fakes mo?
Good fakes.
Good fakes.
Good fakes! Ano yung pinapanood mo?
I've been sorry. I've been watching a lot of porn lately. You know, I miss my girlfriend. It's been 3 months, so medyo iba na yung naiisip ko. But good fakes, here we are.
Thank you.
Check out the merchandise. My CD is there. Di
Yeah.
mo naman pinapromote yung CD ko
Ito
eh.
kukunin ko. Diyan ka lang. Kailan na-release to?
Actually, kalalabas lang ito. Steve Lou, the solo CD. Yeah. Featuring my recently recorded tracks after the pandemic. Ay, before the pandemic and after.
Saan nirecord yan?
Data CD to. This was recorded with by Eric Vargas. I don't know. He's a local here in Eagle Rock, but he's not here tonight. So mga choice cuts from Rolly Maliga, then Coco Jam, and we have videos on this. This is Data CD. I have videos and my profile is here. So check it out. A really good CD. It's a good collector's item.
Where can they find this? Like if
Here at Good Fakes.
there you go.
Here at Kusina
Hit-
Pilipinas.
hit
Saan
us up.
pa?
Hit us up. And then
Pero genuine ito, hindi ito fake ha.
baka yung bootleg ko yan. Yan magiging good
Putay
thing.
na. Ibu-bootleg basta bigyan mo ng porsyento.
Oh, sige.
Alright guys.
Anyway.
Thank you for joining us here.
And your Instagram?
Yes, please follow me at Steve Lou, S-T-I-F-F, ayan o. S-T-I-F-F-L-U. That's my social media. And please follow me on Pornhub, Steve Lou, Chinese porn star. Alright! Rock and roll! Woo! Woohoo!